All right, how's everybody doing today? I wanted to make a quick video. I'm walking inside the park model that we call the Rocky Balboa. Beautiful Amish and Mennonite built park model. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about financing. Okay, this is probably the number one question that we get asked. And we have a new partner that we are partnering with on the financing side of things. So I figured I would talk about this real quick and make a little video about the no money down and 100% financing options that they offer. Okay. So basically they wanted me to make a little video that basically explained that we now have a channel loan product, which the way they quickly explained it to me is if you have something like this park model here that is not going to be on a permanent foundation, we now have a loan option where you can get potentially 100% financing, no money down to buy something like this park model like you see here called a channel loan. Okay. Or let's say you're looking for a site built building with our steel house kit product and barnuminium product. And let's say you served in the military, okay? And you have access to a VA loan, or you're looking for first time home buyer, you need an FHA, or you're in a rural area looking for a USDA loan, okay? Now with the new finance partner that I have, again, depending on your scenario, you might qualify for a no money down, 100% financing loan to purchase your building. Okay. So they wanted me to make a video real quick to let y'all know. Let me walk outside and show you the outside of this pretty thing. To let y'all know that now that is an option if you're looking for some financing. Okay. Now, up until this point, that wasn't an option with us, okay? But now that we have these new steel building partners for some of our products, again, you now have the option to get 100% financing and no money down, depending on your situation, through either the USDA, the VA, one of our channel loan products, okay, or the FHA. So we got some great bankers and financial partners that we are partnering with now that now offer the ability to get financing. So again, if this is something you're interested in, give us a call at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. And again, this particular product, unfortunately, are rustic cabins like the Big Bertha 1.0, 2.0 don't qualify, but the modern builds like the Big Bertha 3.0, all our modern built park models, anything steel framed or steel built, we can make it happen with our 100% no money down financing. So again, they just wanted me to make a quick video to let y'all know that is now something that is potentially available to you if you served in the military. You might not know this, but you know, you have the ability to qualify for a VA loan. And that VA loan could potentially allow you to purchase one of our structures, again, with 100% financing and no money down depending on your situation. So again, give us a call at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. If you're interested in seeing if you qualify to potentially get a 100% financing, no money down loan to purchase one of our beautiful homes. Okay? So I just wanted to make this video per their request, since this is a new product as of Today we are in August of 2026, and as of today, this is a new product that, again, we never offered this before, but we are now partnered up and have the ability to do so with a large selection of our product line. So give us a call today at 812-595-4033 to see if you qualify for 100% down. 100% financing, no money down loan product through either the FHA, the VA, the USDA, or one of our channel loan products if you're wanting something that is like a park model like the one I'm walking through right now. Okay? Give us a call, again, 812-595-4033, and we can learn a little bit more about you, and again, see if you qualify to get 100% financing, no money down loan to purchase a home. Okay? Again, my name is Osi. We are with AmishBuiltCabins.com. We're located at 677 South Cardinal Lane here in Scottsburg, Indiana. But we service the whole United States. Again, with that loan program, if you qualify, we are licensed. My partners are licensed in all 50 states. So give us a call. Let me show you all the outside one last time. Give us a call and let's see what we can do to get you 100% financing, no money down loan to purchase one of our beautiful RV park model RVs, modular homes, or steel framed house kits and barn dominiums. Okay. One more shot of the outside here. Again, give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. And again, for those of y'all that are baby boomers and Gen Xers, go ahead and comment below what year you was born or the word boomer or Gen X. I'm a 1979 classic car model. So I like to see that I got some folks my age watching my content, not just the young bucks. So much appreciated if y'all can comment below Gen X or boomer or whatever year you was born. Like I said, I'm a 1979 Gen X model. That way I know I got my people watching me. Blessings to you and your family. Again, this was just a little tidbit to let y'all know that we're expanding our finance options. So go ahead and offer the 100% financing with no money down for those who qualify. Again, give us a call at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. And let's put you in connection with one of our finance specialists and see what you qualify for. Get you a beautiful home on your land. Y'all be blessed. Thanks for tuning in. You know who it is. Cabin Cowboy, baby. I look forward to looking to you all and talking to you. Y'all be blessed. Come back and see us anytime. Don't forget again to hit that like, share, and subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future content. Again, subscribe, like, share, comment below. We want to know. Y'all have a blessed day. Thanks for tuning in. Cabin Cowboy out, baby.